Yo.
Kami ito may uban may panggali. Depres. Ihap si kumayo sa mga kumayo wala ko yung buwan. Agay mo. Nagtubag-tubag yung doa.
This is my neighbor there. Something sounds also grinder. They're still working also their house. This is our island. The island here in our condo. This is our outside exit, guys. It's so dark because we need to light up. They turn off the light. So okay, this is our backside here. The maintenance there. Okay, that's our backside. They cleaning the maintenance there. It's just the garbage here. Too many garbage box. So they also put up there another building there for have already elevator. Here is doesn't have elevator, only step, guys. Only this step we have here in our. That's for the back steps. Then there, the front, a main door, the entrance door. So, but anyway, we are in the second floor, so it's not too many steps. So that's why I select this. We are in the number 2 row here, 202. So it's not hard for Walter. Here are stepping over there, and that's what our 3rd floor. And this is our parking area there, side, and that side. Okay, I go down, guys, to see you there, to view you, viewing you here, just viewing in our condo. That's our water, fire water, just in case, fire alarm, fire alarm, just in case. This is, and this is our mailbox. Oh, I think we have already electric. I need to take it out mine. This is our front. Okay, it's magenta building. Okay, this is my that's the rest. And there's maybe it's right there. And this is there they are. They're cleaning there. That's also our parking area there. On that side, that's Scarlet, and that's Crimson. This building is Crimson, and this is the Scarlet. So ours magenta, and there's next for us. This is until I think 7. The building, this is a project for this is 7 buildings, and the last building they will build is have already elevators, so it's gonna be 8 floors. Yeah, this is Azure, and now I think this is owned by now 2, Astra and the Brea. They're what they call this, partnership. So yeah, and we are not yet they don't yet build the swimming pool. The amenities here is not yet. The clubhouse, the gym, fitness gym like this. Here the soon to be the swimming pool. This is their project to be built. The swimming pool. This is supposed to be a playground for the kids. Yeah, parking area along the sides, and that's what their project to be soon. And this is the design, guys. That's it, but not yet done because they will yet finish the building. I think they're still doing is selling the so this is our gate, Brea's gate for the guardhouse. So that's our guardhouse. This is our entrance. So this is their pump, the water pump here. This building is a water pump. The trash there. So that one is that space there. That's what's gonna be built. All the clubhouse gonna build there. The clubhouse, the playground for the kids, the fitness, for yeah, gym fitness, for the fitness. So that one is to be built also for the next building. For they said it's gonna be 8 floors, have elevators, but that's very expensive already. But they are still doing for selling. I think that's the way building, selling first before they build the building. So after they done the selling the open selling for the marketing, so that's the time they will starting build the building. It's already sold out all the units. That's the way. So I don't know what is the announcement here. Here from the please advise the unit is in the gray of a magenta azure building has been designated provision for the aircon drain pipes in the balcony area. Kindly repair for the photos. Oh yeah, I know. This is the hallway. So that's the next building we have. So this is all for just for water. So again, okay, light up here. No lights. What happened? Doesn't light. Huh. What's going on? They closed the main end. Okay. I get the mail. Something in they insert in the mailbox. I don't know what is this. Oh, electric power. Electric power.
Remote me go.
Okay. Good.
Ay, batang na din ito.
Gawas na una ka tira pa mo sa condenser. Balko.
The next is the condenser na. They're cleaning the condenser.
Okay, on.
On.
That support
Madali
also.
madali.
Okay.
Hindi.
On.
Pwede na siya mag-face dito.
Ha?
Kaya na mag-face
Kuha ko ma'am, ibalik reinstall. Gasto ka po ka.
Ha?
Ano lang, depende kung gasto. Baga ko siya. Ang gasto lang ka.
Init, manggugayo. Hindi na naman magamit kaya ang kuwan. Gagakwan ka na. Hindi matangtang no?
Ano sa mo?
Yan eh.
Kagkaman niya? Okay, kaya naman. Kaya naman.
Gusto na lang ko din eh. Bubig yung baga ang hang init.
Kinsa ba, ini yung aircon o sa kuwan? Ah, inyo?
Ay, iba.
Di nagpa-install mo, wala mo patubang.
Ay, wala mo.
Diba?
Muling wala ka, magpakwanta sa kuwan, wala ka ba? Wala mo good ni? Kami sa Amerika ito. $195.
Ito, naman rin natin ang pagkita iba sa ulo. Ha? Sige.
Lagi kay abog kay din eh. Lagi gatubo nga ka na pamulinin gid sila bitaw magbalay.
Ay, oo.
Kana bitaw. Oo. Dagan kaayo diha. Gahapon to na-review ko. Wala unsa man ni nga mga abog nga mura mag buhi bitaw kana mura sa buhi ba? Kuan man here kana it's bago na ang gihawaan sa maintenance. Amo mani na naghawa na to maintenance. Nag-abang din yung nasa partner nga foreigner. Training ko. Eh, amo man hindi parintahan.
Oo.
Lalain lagi ka po ng lalain na best na mo to. Tenants. They asking me, how long is it ever been person? How their TV is so much dirty. It's like canal. Water from the canal. Asking how long is doesn't nobody live here. So, no, hindi lang sila balo mag-review kayo. Balo sa without the view of this. $2022 na pagkuhan ani wala na siya cleaning. 2022 wala na siya cleaning.
You're not here.
Wala sa cleaning. Pero dito sa siya permi kasudlan.
Ako talaga lang.
Salang-salang.
May tao na.
Ngayon, ang gawas, kidugag, abog, gid, grabe kay dinimas hindi sa sulod doon, agi. Kana naging mga lingin-lingin nga.
Tuyok mga kag-abog, ma'am.
Ha?
Tuyok abog ni pagkaganda.
Kung naasan lagi ka ng abog nga wala may tao.
Tuyok ba nga?
You ask him about turning it around how much?
Ha?
You ask about how much it costs to turn it.
Pila daw ko no kung ako i-turning. Change na mo.
Ang ka?
Kana, ang cluster niya.
O, sa may pabutang.
Di na, dito, buga dito sa gawa.
Ito, alam niya, anak.
Dito sa gawa, dito siya.
Ito na sa gawas. Ang kanyang mga kaya.
Dili, dili sa amo kaya dili na pag-out ka na mo, init kayo. Ano ba, dili? Dito siya. Kaya ba? Kaya ang
Pwede? O, sa ibutang, pero kanina.
kuha na siya plywood kay dinigin sa ang mga aircon sa mga kuan. Kaya di window type lang ba? Yeah, good. Kaya init kayo, di parang dito pag abri naman sa kuan, butahan buga. Ang init, sulod dayon.
Lagi. Pero, ang tamang dahil ano yun?
Ay, okay, kuan naman na siya kanang
Wala no, hindi, wala na madyasan, hindi ka rin ako yung tao. Kinukat ko ako na niya, oh.
no, because of this, it's not a concrete. They cannot
Kung
hold.
saan pinasumin
If you look across the window, I'm not standing there, I can point to one that's mounted sideways.
Huh? It's the same in the.
No, there's one that's mounted.
Gamitan
na siya bracket ni Go.
Dili, oo, lagi. Gamitan.
Look at- The
Ibaba,
same.
baba ang unit.
Yung baba na lang ka.
Hindi.
How about in the down?
Kasi mo. O, pwede man. Sa taas.
Ha?
Sa taas.
Sa taas? Dito sa taas ang bracket?
Oo, pwede man. Pwede man.
Oh, sige.
Ano man, oh.
Pila may inyong charge? Ipakuha na mo ang one.
Ano, ma'am? Kung card mo.
451.
4-5 what?
For
I-fix na. Pero, sige. Sa ano.
transfer.
4-5, 4-5.
4,500
4,500.
to transfer it. Hook up there.
There's one.
Ha?
Pwede ba? Tapos kaya ano na lang? 4 na lang para sa inyo.
Dili pwede 3. 3 lang. 3,000. 3,000.
3,000, how long?
Hindi ba?
3,000?
Oo.
Then, when you working,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday na. Ay,
they will work
naman may
Sunday.
trabaho.
Mga yung
Labis.
number ma'am nimo para makatawag.
Sunday. They
How
will.
many Sundays would it take?
Oh, pila ko no kadlaw na ninyo matrabaho.
One day lang.
One day only.
One, ano? Dili man isa ka whole day, 1.5.
Bracket only they will hook up.
And then there's one across there, can't see it now, but it's facing like that. One across there somewhere. And I've seen that they put it up there like that.
Ano asa nag-install?
The problem, that's the
Ang
problem.
kanila ni sa break.
All the same person installed all these.
Yes sir.
And
The
poorly.
same.
Same. But, yeah,
Yeah.
but there's a couple of them, if you look, if you go out there and look, they're sideways like they're supposed to be.
Dili sa job pwede dito, dito sa gawas
Ayaw
dito.
mo, dili wala sa makita mo sa watch video alam niyo.
Puro sulod?
Ana na lang ma'am ang style na to.
Ha?
Ato, nakita sa taas?
Oo, kana.
Ana, para ang buga.
Ah.
The flow of the air there.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Yeah, that's what we want.
We
Para
want.
pag open mo dire, dili.
Dili buga. Dili.
Is there one over there you saw? Is there one over there, Sergeant? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, that one's mounted right.
The sharp. The sharp.
This one has been,
Sure.
this one was,
And
Kani magud ang media sa inyo. Kung say ano mo sila.
dili man ko man sa dismo. Dili ko nga to dili sa front.
Wala lagi mi.
Ay, wala.
Wala ka supervise.
No supervise here.
At that time when we sold out,
Ang
installing.
installer nangita og sayon.
Ang installer,
Sayon ready.
ang installer, gahulat po siya sa katong nagkuhan ani ba? Na
Wala pa mahuman, mapupulis.
dili. Wala pa.
You mean, we were here, because we told him to mount it the other way, but he said he couldn't. Remember we made him come back out and look?
Si to was the
The installer came back and he
si
said,
GM is the one who supervised, but she is not here. GM the one who
"Buddy, you're not listening to what I'm saying. I don't care who supervised. After it was done,
huh?
when it was finished, I called them back out. Remember I called your cousin or whatever back out and said, hey, you got to fix this thing. It's blowing right in the door. And they came out and looked at it, and the installer said, no, I can't. You can't do that.
They can do that. Yeah.
I know they can, but he said they couldn't.
They could kuan.
So the
Mo
thing is,
ilang ingon nga dili na nila ma kuan.
Ano ba?
Oh, dili nila
Ay, tinapulan mo.
mo gani. Dili na sad sila siguro kay wala ibayad.
Yan lang.
Kay na-install naman siguro. Maybe that's my expectations.
Kung naman nagpa-install ka, pinigyan mo.
Because kung naami at that time, so dili na to mag double work. We are not there, so that's why it's hard for them to twist it. Another more job another more, so they need another more money siguro. Maybe that's what they're expecting.
I don't know. What they're expecting is when they say they can't, that's wrong.
No, they can't, but they are thinking that it's another job. So if they will do that twisting, so if you don't pay
But
anything,
All these people, I guarantee, if they see that one get turned, they're gonna want theirs turned.
yeah, that's why.
Because no one wants theirs turned. You open the door, you can't even go out. It's crazy.
So hot gid kayong init ka.
Init kayo.
Mo ang sinina gud nimo diya. Maglayhay ka, mo dry dayon.
Right.
And if it was pointed like that, it'd be less noisy.
Bigas ang install mo.
Not as noisy.
Media.
Media natin.
Oh, ilang kaning unsay tawagan ni authorized.
Authorize na.
Pwede magpipili ko.
Oh, media murag taga kwan mas siguro nang ilang kwan nandiya sa patag. Kanay media kwan diya sa patag mo mga siguro na. Kaya na ako nabasa diya nga kana bitang paingon sa exit ka sa
Pababang high tide?
Oh,
Ay,
murag diya ka moagi para madili ka mo kan sa traffic.
Oh.
Nanay corner diya, murag kana gid siya.
Kanay siya kanang Cleanflex.
Unsa na siya?
Cleanflex. Cleanflex mo may corner pa kan.
Oh, media kwan na sa authorized good.
Cleanflex siguro.
Oh, media gid na sila nga kwan nga authorized.
And they start this Sunday.
Yeah, they started Sunday.
This Sunday.
This Sunday dong ba this week? Yes.
Okay.
But because they have still working weekdays.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, among ikuan.
Namagod may trabaho ma'am, dahil murag ikaw na siya ba?
Sideline niyo.
Ikaw na siya. Oh.
Sideline only.
Yan daw yun. Oh, wow. Very heavy.
Heavier than when you brought it in, right?
They will pay that one in the company if they will not.
Don't wait, it's wet. Don't walk out there. He's trying to clean.
Oh, what is bago naman po din, abot din.
Hmm.
Oh, sige. Muna need na sa gid kay.
Grabe na, ma'am.
Oh, need na gid kay. Mo naman ang estimation na makakarmi. Amo gi siya ipakita. Need na gid
Ang
kay.
tulog ko kanina, wala may
Kay
lugaw.
imagine 22. 2022.
24, 2 years, 6 months pa yun.
Mo gani.
Kaya yung mga ako, 24 months. Samantala, ang issue sa April, 6 months ago.
6 months na, yeah, I know. 6 months cleaning.
Yeah, ino katuig na.
Right?
Wala na.
So,
Actually, it's probably, it's been less than 6
Kahit kung
months.
kadaan lang gigamit sa sunod sa 24 guba yun ito.
yeah.
But we haven't even rented.
We plan we are already planning for that, yeah. For cleaning when we back here, we're gonna be cleaning our air condition, yeah.
Well, no, it has to be cleaned before we come back. We're not gonna come back every year.
Yeah, but this decided the proper cleaning of the air condition is totally every 6 months, but ours is take for 20 last 20 years. How many?
2 years.
2022. So we are now in 2 years, yeah.
2 years, 24 months.
24. Oh my God!
But
Gonna
no,
be-
no, you keep saying that, but no one's been in here.
The one.
But even he said.
Even, it doesn't matter, it's got to be running, so that you clean it every 6 months. We don't have people in here every 6.
Pero wala may gagamit sa...
Sigal sa mga katuig, mga pila ng kabulan ang may tao.
Katurang 3 months, ano ra?
Okay na.
3 months na siya na adini. Wala man gyud siya gano'y tao. Kay aya ka magnaay mo renta. Naamang gay mo renta pero mga
Kain nga ako, no? Hindi nga.
amo gini unit.
Buka hindi nga.
Amo gini unit.
Ma'am, kini ang imong number para pag magtawag ni.
Cancer man na mo siya lang yung kontak ko ngay say wala ko din eh.
Pag muna yun, tamo na pala.
Gini?
Okay.
Kung ito na lang.
Kay wala ko din eh pero say madto ko sa mga anak. Big, tagaan ta na lang just in case para matawagan niya ako siya.
Ma'am, pare sige. Kung ko na lang number niya ba? Imong number.
Iya lang kay siya may kuan
Okay na,
mag-monitor. Siya may mag-monitor
Okay.
kung your number it's gotta be his contact
He's gonna be in contact.
to you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ito
Ano
yung
kay
number?
number? 60 355 6065 mo na siya.
355 60
65.
5. Save. Nasa apelyido mo? Sir.
STEC, S-T-E-C. STEC. Is it?
Bria.
750.
Oh, 750 sir.
Wala kay change?
Wala ma'am.
Wow. Nasa, wait, yun, basta na po. You don't have a 500 something?
No, I don't. I gave the last 5 to the. Oops.
Oh, so for
Parts.
the laundry? Huh?
The parts or the laundry one. Wait a minute, I might have.